All right, let's get started on our super cute and super easy hamster drawing. So we're gonna start by drawing two big ovals. Two big ovals. And they're about the same distance apart. And they're about the same size. Then we're gonna draw a circle inside of our oval. A circle inside of our oval, and then one more circle, one more circle. When you're all done with that, we're gonna go ahead and color in the big oval. We're gonna color in the big oval. We're gonna leave the little circles white. We're gonna leave the little circles white. Once you're done coloring that in, we're going to draw some eyebrows. We're going to draw some eyebrows. Just a curved line above the eyes. Then we're going to draw his ears. So hamsters have pretty tiny ears. So we're just going to draw two curved lines, one on each side. Two curved lines, one on each side. Then we just need to add a little bit of detail to the inside of the ears. So I'm gonna draw a semicircle on one side and then a semicircle on the other side. Just like that. Then we're gonna connect the ears to the top of his head. Connect the ears to the top of his head. And then we'll finish his face. So we're gonna draw a little nose, teeny tiny little nose, because he's just a little hamster. And his little mouth, his cute little mouth. A line for his snout. And he's got his mouth open, he's so excited. So we'll draw an open mouth. And then hamsters have pretty chubby cheeks. So we're gonna draw our hamster with chubby cheeks. Then we're going to draw his little hands. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 for his fingers. And then we'll draw the rest of his arm. Just a curved line that goes around and connects to his fingers. Do the same thing on this side too. Then we're going to add a curved line underneath his mouth for his chin. And then we're going to draw a line that goes all the way around, all the way around. Then we'll add an oval for his tummy. An oval for his tummy. Now all he needs are his feet and his little tail. Let's go ahead and draw his feet. So we're going to draw a curved line and then two straight lines for his toes. Curved line and then two little lines for his toes. Awesome. Now let's just draw his little tail. Boop. And there you have it. So you can color your hamster any color you want, but I made mine brown, white, and I gave him pink little hands and feet. So have fun coloring. Thanks for following along.